This Paper PE CPP coating machine is designed for the coating and lamination of paper with polyethylene, PE, and Cast Polypropylene, CPP films. It combines the characteristics of different materials, offering versatile possibilities for manufacturing high-quality packaging materials, printing substrates, and various other applications. The components of the Paper PE CPP coating machine include the following parts: main frame, paper supply system, PE coating section, CPP coating section, drying system, tension control system, rewinding system, electrical control system. This Paper PE CPP coating machine is widely used in various industries, primarily for manufacturing packaging materials for food, pharmaceuticals, and industrial purposes. Additionally, it finds applications in sectors such as printing, labeling, construction, and advertising, providing waterproof, moisture-resistant, and abrasion-resistant capabilities. In the medical field, it is also employed to produce medical packaging materials, ensuring hygiene and freshness.